Welcome to Particle Pharma. So today you might be thinking that what is this topic? Why our cells die? How our cells die? Who told you that our cells are dying? I will tell you whose cells are dying and why they are dying later on. I'll come to that point later on. Before that, I just wanted to share with you something. Previously, human beings they will tend to live longer and they are healthier or they are having healthy lifestyle, isn't it? Nowadays, people are dying so early. Isn't it astonishing? Or they are having ill health. Why? Why they are having these many issues just because of some environmental factors or lifestyle modifications, such as they are having anxiety, depression, and all. But this statement is not correct 100%. Why? Just because of advancement in technology, that is AI. It is showing us or it is giving us promising future for the treatment of that kind of diseases that we would not have imagined it. So you might have heard that your grandparents or your great grandparents or their great grandparents have lived up to 90 years or more than that 90 years, or some people were crossing centuries also, isn't it? So then why today's generation is not living up to that much, or they are not having that much lifespan? Where the issue is arising or what is the problem? So let me initiate with a prompt that how our cells die or why our cells are dying. Who is asking them to die? So under whose pressure they are dying? People who fall sick or ill, they should get treated properly at the earliest or at a proper time in a proper manner. If they are not getting treatment in a proper manner, it will lead to serious consequences. Sometimes it may lead to death also. Don't get afraid. Sometimes if they are not getting properly treated, or whoever is falling sick or ill, they won't die. Don't think like that. So researcher or scientists, they are microscopically analyzing the cell and finding out where the issue is, or what is the problem, how it is arising, how to manage it, and what actually is happening inside the cell. And after analyzing everything, what will be the treatment, how we should resolve that problem. So this whole phenomena is termed as pathophysiology, and it is examining, or they were examining at the cellular level. It can also be termed as cell pathophysiology or cellular pathophysiology. Let me proceed. Now pathophysiology should be studied at cellular level, isn't it? So as I have told you that if they are not getting properly treated, they can die. Means the cells are going to die. So why pathophysiology is studied at cellular level? Why not tissue? Why not tissue or at organ level? Because if they are studying at cellular level, then it is giving a proper understanding of functioning or functional understanding of the cell, or structural understanding of the cell, as well as mechanism or composition or disease mechanism. So when the cell is under myriad of stresses, myriad means continuous stresses. What kind of that stresses are, I will discuss it later on. So when it is faced or myriad of stresses are occurring on the cell, it is showing abnormalities, or it is leading to a formation of disease or disorder. In easy language, when myriad of stresses are occurring on the cell, it is its function and structure is getting affected, its mechanism is getting affected. Okay, its mechanism or structure or function is getting affected, which is leading to a formation, or it's showing a disease or disorder. That disease or disorder should be treated. If it is not getting treated, it is showing serious consequences, which I have already told you. What will cell do is, after this stress occur in mechanism thing, it will start showing adaptation. Means when someone is coming to you and they will start fighting with you, what you will do? You will sit silently, one situation, or you will start fighting them with second situation. If you are going, what will happen after that fight? Either they will win or you will win, isn't it? So same situation is happening here. Adaptations will be taking place. I repeat, whenever cell is having that stresses, it will show some changes. What are those changes? For are adaptations. It will accept the reality, means it will accept, okay, this is happening, I will accept it. If not, what will happen? It will fight against that stresses. After that fight, either that stress will lose or cell will lose. If the stress is losing, the cell will come back to its normal functioning. If that cell is losing, it will die. In short, how the cell should fight? With the help of the treatment. So I think I am clear to all of you. Today I'll be stopping here and I'll be expecting you all in my next session. Till then, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.